Cracked or loose fireplace hearth stones can be a real pain, but fixing them yourself with some mortar is totally doable and saves you from calling in a pro right away. So, first off, you want to clear out any loose debris from between the stones. Like grab a stiff brush or even a vacuum to get rid of dust and crumbling bits. Then mix up some mortar. Just follow the instructions on the bag, but make sure it's the right kind for stonework. Before you slap it on, dampen the stones a bit so the mortar sticks better. Use a trowel or even your hands, with gloves, to push the mortar into the cracks or gaps where stones are loose. Smooth it out so it looks neat and matches the existing stonework. Let it dry completely. This usually takes a day or two depending on humidity. Avoid using the fireplace while it's curing, because heat messes with drying. Once dry, you can gently clean off any leftover mortar haze with a damp sponge. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing fireplace hearthstones is using the wrong mortar type. It has to be heat resistant or specially made for stone. Otherwise, it won't hold up and could crack again. Another common issue is not cleaning out all the loose debris before applying mortar, which makes the repair weak from the start. So take your time prepping. Lastly, rushing the drying process by lighting fires too soon ruins everything. You need to wait at least 48 hours or until fully dry. Fix these, and your hearthstones will stay solid and safe for way longer. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like this. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by connecting with people who actually need their skills, making it easier for both sides to win.